Yo, what is going on, guys? It's Scotty Restores Kicks, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to properly clean your shoes with any solution. So you're not going to want to miss it. Check it out.
All I see is icy, icy. All I see is icy, icy. Scotty Restoring Kicks, and all I see is icy, icy. Whoa.
Alright, so here are the shoes we're going to be cleaning. The biggest thing I recommend when you're cleaning any shoes is get two different brushes. You can get like up to 3 or 4, but I mainly choose 2. This one is like thicker bristles and it's a little bit harder. I use this only for the soles or the midsoles, and then this one's a lot softer, and for this one I use for any of the uppers, especially like mesh or any of that material, just so it won't hurt any of the fabric. So yeah guys, so now this is the solution I'm using. Again, you can really use any solution. If you use soap and water, you can use soap and water. You can really use anything. This isn't going to, make these super whatever, but it's going to clean it up for the most part. That way, if you are putting it in the ice box or any of that, or you just want to clean your shoe up and make it look cleaner than what it is right now. As you can see, like right in here, we got a lot of dirt and stuff still. So we're just going to try to get that out. And yeah, so got water. This cup was my paint, or this bowl was my paint bowl. So that's why I'm not putting water in it. That's the only reason why that's there. But yeah, so first what I do, I'd put it in a bowl and I would dip it in first. And I'm actually gonna start with the uppers first. I'm gonna be using this brush. But first I'm just gonna dampen it. So do that. And I take my solution, just pour a couple drops of that solution on there. A little shake. And now put your hand in the shoe. Let's get to business. You want it to suds up like that. You want to see the suds. Once you get like dry a little bit where it's not like sudsing as much, you're going to put some more water on it. And you're pretty much gonna be done with adding solution. Like, you only really need a little bit. But see all those suds that we want that. We want that sud. Do the tongue. Also, you can take the laces out, start doing the tongue. I'm just going to do the top part for now. As long as you're using like a softer brush like this, you're really not going to hurt the material. Some materials though, you might have to be softer, like a suede or anything like that. You'll probably do some more circular motions and you can't be as rough. You're going to be a little softer with it. But for this or this material, pretty much just scrub it. Yeah, and so then I'll let that sit for a minute. Now I'm going to go to this brush, and now I'm going to do that midsole, and if I wanted to do the soles, I would do the soles. I'm probably not going to do much with the soles, but yeah. So let's get this wet. Put our solution on. Let's get after it. Probably put a little too much water on that one. There we go. Now if you want to do the bottoms, literally just scrub them. Now after we applied all of that, you can let it sit for a little bit. You really don't have to wait that long. Really, you're just going to grab your rag and you're going to start wiping it up. So start wiping that up, getting all the water and suds off. How many different rags right now? Yeah, instantly just took that dirt off. You'll see it, there'll be some dirt on it a little bit, and then once you start like kind of really drying it off and stuff, it'll start coming off. Again, it's not going to be perfect, but this is just to give it a pretty good clean. That way you can I don't know, just make it look a lot cleaner. And, you know, you can definitely get the areas where there's dirt and stuff to make it look whiter and stuff like that. Sometimes like there's gonna be spots where you can't really get. You're just gonna have to let that dry out. But for the most part, there we go. You can definitely tell it looks a lot cleaner, especially like that midsole. Can definitely just here out. This one is I didn't do this one. This is the one I did. Okay, you can already just see how we got some dirt and stuff on this one right here. Majority of it came off. And you look at the heel, look at the difference. This one I didn't do, this one I did. Even the insides too. I mean, crazy difference. And again, this is just to give it a quick clean. If you're going out and you don't want all these scuffs and dirt on it and stuff like that, you just want to clean them up. There you go. Like, I mean, even the fabric looks like a lot richer. Like the color, like the yellow and stuff, all that looks a lot cleaner. Yeah, guys, that's the basics of cleaning your shoes. Again, you can use any sort of cleaner. You can just use soap and water. If you only have one brush, that's fine. Just if you're working on the top part and you have a harder brush, you just got to be careful. Don't do it as hard. But I recommend getting a softer brush and making sure that you can, you know, go a little harder on this area. That way you can clean that up. But yeah, guys. So I'm gonna end the video right here. All right, guys. So now that is the proper way to clean your shoes with whatever type of solution you have, whether it's just soap and water or whether you actually have a solution that you bought from the store or something like that. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope this helped. If you guys have any questions or video suggestions, please put them in the comments down below. Also, if you enjoyed this video and it helped, don't forget to smash the like button. And lastly, if you enjoy this channel and you want to see more videos like this, all you gotta do is subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the push notification button so you never miss an upcoming video. So Scotty Restores Kicks. You want to be icy? Well, start from the sole. You want to clean your shoes up? Come check out my page. I'm gonna see you next time.